Hello students, good morning. In today's video, we are discussing about the basic structure of a C program. See, if you want to write down the code of the C program, it has some format of coding format. So according to that format, we will write down the code. See, here different programming languages have their own format of coding. There are so many different programming languages. Each language has a format of coding. According to that format, we will write down the code. The basic components of a C program are, these are the basic components we will use in C program to write down the code of the C program. First one is main. The main function. We will use the main function in program. The execution of C program starts from the main function. Then pair of curly braces. We will use the pair of curly braces in our program. So left curly brace and right curly brace. For opening of the program and ending of the program, we will use the curly brackets. Then declarations and statements. Declarations means whatever variables, function, arrays, whatever data types we are using in our program, so we will declare in that declaration part. Then statements means whatever input, output statements or mathematical statements we are using in our program, so that statements we will write down in statements. Then user defined functions. If you are using any user defined functions, that you can write down here. See here, this is a structure of a C program. This is a C programming format. According to this format, we will write down the code. First one is preprocessor statements. I'll discuss just some parts here. Then briefly we can discuss the particular this each statements here. First one is preprocessor statements. Preprocessor statements means what? Here in preprocessor statements we are declaring the header files. What is the use of header file? If you want to whatever source program you have written, if you want to run that source code, then preprocessor statement we can declare in this preprocessor statements. Here we use the different header files. Then global declarations means whatever functions or any variables you are using in your program, so declare that global declarations before the main function. Then main function. What is the use of main function? The execution of C program start from the main function. So this is very important. And main always written in lowercase letter. You should not write down this main in uppercase letter. Always write down in lowercase letter. And it should not terminated by semicolon. Means the main function should not ended by the semicolon. You should not give here semicolon. So this is a format to write down the main function. Then the execution of C program start from the main function. Then opening curly brace, it shows the starting means execution of C program starts from here. And then declarations. Declarations means what? See, whatever variables, functions, arrays, data types you are using in your program, so declare that in declaration part. Then statements. Statements means whatever input, output statements or any mathematical formula you are using in your program, so write down in statements. Then ending of the program. This is using right curly brace, end your program. Then whatever user means, if you want to write down the main code here and sub part of the program, then use the user defined function to describe the sub parts of the program. So we will discuss one by one here in detail. See here, first one is preprocessor statements. Preprocessor statements means what? These statements begin with hash symbol and are also called the preprocessor directive. This hash symbol is called as a preprocessor directives. Means if you want to declare the header files, we will declare using hash. Don't use this hash symbol. This hash symbol is called as a preprocessor directive. It includes header files and also symbolic constant into a C program. So if you want to declare header files, we will use this hash symbol to declare the header files. Then for example here, hash include stdio.h. This is one of the header file. this is hash include and stdio. What is the meaning of stdio? The C, S is for stand, std is for standard, I is for input, O is for output, H is for header file. So standard input output header file, it will accept the standard whatever inputs you have given or whatever output it will find out and gives to the give to the outside world, so that it will execute. So that this is a main this is a main in your program. C programming, hash includes stdio.h, standard input output header files. Then hash include, what is the use of hash include here? See here, it is a preprocessor directive. We can call it as a preprocessor directive. It is program that process our source program before it is passed to the compiler. Here compiler means what? See here, computer doesn't understood the English like language, means whatever English like statements you have written in your code, that computer doesn't understood. Computer only understood the binary language, means 0 and 1. So that whatever code you have written in English like language, it will translate it, compiler will translate that language into machine understandable format, means in binary format, binary coded format, means 0 and 1s. So it is program processed our source program, means whatever code you have written, that is the source program. Before it is passed to the compiler, it will execute that source program. That is the work of the hash include, preprocessor directive. Then global declarations. Global declarations means what? See here, variables or functions whose existence is known in the main functions, means we are using the variables functions in main functions, and the other user defined functions are called the global variables. Whatever variables or functions we are using in our program, so that variables is called as a global variables, and their declarations are called as a global declarations. See, using means whatever variables you are using, according to that you can declare the global declarations before the main function. This declaration should be made before main, means whatever global declarations means whatever variables you are using in your program, so that type of declarations if you want to use, so write down, declare that global declarations before the main function. Then main function, what is the use of main function? See here, this is the main function. The execution of C program starts with the main function, means exactly the execution of C program starts from the main function. These functions written in lowercase letters, always write down the main in lowercase letter, means small letters, and it should not be terminated by semicolon, means you should not end that main function using the semicolon. For only write down the main and parenthesis, opening and closing parenthesis. This is a format to write down the main function, means you should not end it by with using the semicolon. Then curly braces. See here, in C programming we are using two curly braces, left curly brace and right curly brace, means opening of the program and closing of the program. That purpose we use the curly brace in our program. So every C programming uses a pair of curly braces. In each C program we are using two curly braces for opening purpose one and closing purpose. The left brace indicates the beginning of the main function. The main of the function, means execution of C program start from the main function. So left brace indicates the beginning of the main function, and the right brace indicates the main function is ended, means execution of main function is ending, shows the right curly brace. These braces are used to indicate the beginning and end of the user defined functions and the compound statements, means whatever statements, variables or whatever condition statements we are using in our program, it shows the opening brace and closing brace, means beginning of the program and end of the program. Then declarations. Declarations means what? See here, declarations is a part of the C program where all variables, array, functions, etc. used in the C program are declared and may be initialized with their basic data types. Means declarations means whatever variables, whatever functions, data types we are using in our program. So we can declare using in declaration parts. Means to accept the inputs we are using different types of variables, or and we are using the data types also. For particular, there are many initialized with their basic data type. There are so many, there are 4 types of basic data types. What type of variables means what type of value you are using in your program. So that type of that type of data type we will declare the variables in our program. So in declaration part, whatever variable, functions or data types you are using, so we will declare in declaration part. Then statements means what? See, in if you want to execute your C program, we are using the different statements in our program. For example, we are using input statement. If you want to give the input to the computer for processing, so we will use the input statements to declare the inputs. Then if you want to get the result from the processing, so we will declare the output statements. So whatever inputs or output statements or mathematical formula you are using in your program, so we will write down that in statement part. Then these are instructions to the computer to perform some specific operations. Means what? That is the instruction given to the computer. Means we will give the input to the computer for processing. Means give the instruction to the computer for performing. They may be input, output statements, arithmetic statements, control statements and other statements. See, if you are using the conditions in your program, so that is a control statements. There are different type of statements: input statements, output statements, arithmetic statements, control statements. These all statements we will declare in statements for performing the specific operation. This is an instruction given to the computer for processing. Then comment. Comment means what? This is a format to write down the comment. This is the format of the comment. Then comments are explanatory note on some instructions. The statement to be commented on must be enclosed within statement. Means, see here, what is the use of comment? See, this is comment is not executable statement in C program. It is only for understanding purpose. For the user understanding purpose, we will write down the comment. For example, see, if you have used any condition or any statements in your program, if you want to know that statement meaning, so we will write down their comment. It is explanatory note. This is not a executable statement. It's only for the understanding purpose for the user. The comment statements are not compiled and executed. This statement is not compiled and not executed. Any number of comments can be written at any place in the program. Means number of comments you can use in your program at anywhere. If can be written before the statements, after the statements or within the statement. It can be written before the statement, within the statements and after the statement, because this is a not executable statement. For example, see here, this is a format to write down the comment. This is only for the understanding purpose. See, this is a format / then star program to add 2 numbers, or star and again / This is a format. See, if you want to give the if you want to write down the program question, if you want to write down the program name or program questions, so you can use this program to add 2 numbers. If you want to know which type of program it is, so you can write down this using comments, program to add 2 numbers. Then if you want to write down the formula, if you want to show this is a formula, so use the comment in your program. So formula C equals to A plus B before the conditions or after the condition or within the statements. Formula. Then see here, this is I have written here formula before the statement, then after the statement C equals to A plus B. This is a formula. Then within the statements also. C equals to A. This is the comment formula plus B. Means you can use comment at anywhere in your program. Before the condition, after the condition, or within the condition. Means within the statements. Before the statements, after the statements, or within the statements. And number of comments you can use in your program, because this is not a executable statement. This is only for the understanding purpose. Then user defined functions. What do you mean by user defined functions? These are sub-programs. Generally, a sub-program is a function. The user defined function contain a set of statements to be perform a specific task. These are written by the user, hence the name user defined functions. They may be written before or after the main function. You can write down the user defined function before the main function, otherwise after the main function. This is a sub program, means the main program you have written, in that sub parts of the program, so you can write down the using user defined functions. There are a sub program. Generally a sub program is a function that is known as the user defined function. You can write down the user defined function before the main function or after the main function. So today we will stop here. Further part we will discuss later.